Hello, this is Mr. O again, and I think I'm going to show you now how to use the rectangle tool. Now, just like previously we used the line tool, I thought it would be easier if I show you how to use the rectangle tool. So I'll click on create a sketch, go two-dimensional to my top view, and instead of choosing the line tool, I'm going to use the 2-point rectangle tool. So I'm going to click on that, move my mouse to the datum point, click once with my mouse or on my mouse pad, and you'll see automatically it gives me on the left hand side dimensions of how high do I want this rectangle to be. So let me say I'm gonna make it 30 high. I don't do anything else, but what I do is I do that, and instead of, if I push return, I have not defined this side, so I don't push return when I do that. I'm gonna undo this and I'll show you exactly what you do. Click once, move my mouse away to wherever I want. I go 30 and I hit tab, and then it moves this down to the bottom. It gives me the option to edit the other side of my rectangle. So I'm going to make that maybe 45. And then I hit return and I have a triangle. A lot simpler and a lot quicker. I go sketch, 3 dimensions, and you'll see I got myself a nice 2-dimensional rectangle. Simple and easy. I hope that helps.